Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Just a quick video. Today's Thursday, November 5th, and I noticed that the bees are doing an orientation flight. So it's currently 60 degrees, I think, 57 degrees, and the forecast for the next 5 days is temperatures into the low 70s, like 72, 73 degrees. So I did move that wheel to reduce the entrance, so probably making it a little difficult for them to get back in. But yeah, warmer temperatures, not necessarily a good thing because they're going to be eating. So maybe it's warm enough temperatures I can put some more syrup in, give them another feeding. But yeah, these are probably well, these are going to be the winter bees. So these are bees that are hatching and are going to live a little bit longer, carry them through the winter. But yeah, next 5 days are going to be highs over 70 degrees going into next week. And as you can see, all the snow is gone. So really big contrast from the other day when we had all that snow to another thing is that you don't see bees in the summertime or in the spring doing orientation flights in the morning. It's usually, for me, it's around anywhere between 3 and 4 in the afternoon. So yeah, I better make a batch up of I don't know, 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 sugar syrup. Get that in the hive. See if they're even interested in taking it. So this is New England Gardening. There's a loud blue jay expecting some peanuts. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I got my veil on. I made up some syrup, and the bees are flying around. It's died down a little bit, but there are bees. It looks like foraging, and I know they are because they're on what's left of the aster that I have. Anyways, I was looking for my hive tool and forgot. I thought it would be a convenient spot to keep it, as long as I remember that I did leave it here. But yeah, I put this burlap over the holes, the screen holes that I put on this board here. Can't really call it a top bar because it's not connected to anything, but that's over the feeder. Yeah, I remember this the last time. These were, I thought maybe I needed to put a handle or something on one of these to make it more convenient to extract because they're so tight. Let me put the camera down and remove some of these frames. So I moved the follower board and it was propolized, so they were all the way down to the feeder, securing it. And there aren't any bees. I just saw one live one. There were 3 dead ones on the bottom here in this empty cavity, but this sort of defeats the purpose why I put that board on the top there, so I wouldn't have to open it up. But I'm curious to see. Wow, they really have propolized this. I have to put the camera down again. I don't know if the camera's picking this up. They even put a lot of propolis on the top here. It's starting to yellow, but they haven't closed off the screen. Oh, here comes one. Comes one. Out. Let's see. Yeah, I don't. Just curious, this last frame here, what might be going on. Let's move the follower board. So I do see a couple of bees, but there's really nothing going on at this end here. But and I was just wondering if I should remove any of these to bring this feeder close to where the bees are. But yeah, some bees at this end here. Yeah, maybe just leave it as it is. I don't know if I would. Just wondering if I should consolidate this anymore. Well, I'll just go ahead and put the syrup in, and the next 5 days is going to be like in the 70s, so I'll give it a check tomorrow, see if they found the syrup or have any interest in it. So I gave the bees some syrup, and take a look tomorrow, see if they have any interest in it. But right now they're really working the aster. So this is New England Gardening. This is Thursday, November 5th, 2020. And I still have bees. Yeah, there's a good amount on this aster here. Survived the frost. Thanks for watching.